Ooh. Oh, you guys. Take the hat off of me for a minute. Ooh, yeah, I got me some Taco Bell, guys.
Now she's getting in.
Got me some Taco Bell.
She getting in there.
Oh, dang. I gotta back up, y'all. Just hold on. Oh, gotta move this car right quick.
She don't know where she even buying that thing.
I gotta make sure I can back out. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. I need to back up.
Oh, here go my car.
I know. Hold on, you guys.
Oh, you guys could have parked in Popeyes. Stay over there.
Okay. Okay. Just looking for somewhere to park. Okay, y'all get to see me drive, y'all. Okay. Looking for a parking space, y'all. Okay, here we go. I'll park right here. This is just as good.
Yeah.
Okay, oh yeah. There's not too much sun, so I'm in a good spot, y'all.
She ain't gonna move yet. People packages are gonna be late.
All right, so Taco Bell. We got the box. We call it the cheesy box, y'all. So what's so cheesy about this box? Okay, yeah, they got the tortilla chips. They had to give you more cheese. I'm gonna give you one real thing of cheese right here. So there's a burrito, one Dorito taco.
That's good.
And I guess this is a chalupa. Oh, that's a chalupa, and this is the taco. Okay, let me see. And I got a peach iced tea. Okay. Now let's take stuff out. I should hold the box. Oh, it's all messy. Here we go. Okay. The first meal of the day. When I woke up, my blood sugar was too high, so. Had to fast for a few hours. I forgot I got some sauces here. One of them say fire. The one say fire is not really that hot. Fire.
Okay.
Been a while since I've been Taco Bell. It ain't barely been a week. It ain't been that long. Oh, I ain't put too much sauce on that. It's kind of hot. some of the drink now. I just went and got my booster. The lady asked me, how are you feeling today? And I'm walking in there to get a shot. I told her, I'm nervous. Okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm nervous. I guess that's why she did it fast, too. So I'm fully vaccinated. I had my third shot. I'm good. I'm still wearing my mask. This peach iced tea is good. This is a lot of food too. One thing I did today, I went to the car wash, get the car wash, make it look presentable. Then I went over to the hospital to get my booster shot. There was so many people up in that place.
Oh, really?
One thing about the hospitals, you don't have to have an appointment. Well, that's some of them. You know, my doctor had told me that you can just walk in. You don't need an appointment, so I just walked in. I'm like, I'm building my confidence. I say, let me get it over with. And got it over with. We got a paper tell you about side effects. It's the same as first and two. That it's like side effects. They said was fever, body aches. That's why I got home to get home. I don't want to be driving and side effects hit me while I'm driving. I'll be messed up. Yeah, well, just fever and body aches and something else. Oh, headaches. Well, I'm fine now. That was like, I'm going to say 30 minutes ago.
Oh, it ain't been that long. Hello?
That was so good.
What's wrong with her?
Burrito taco.
How much weight you talking about?
I ate that taco up. I'm hungry.
Oh, Julia, this ain't emergency. I'll tell Julia when. Because she's doing a video right now. Yeah, I'm eating a taco. I'm going to call you right back.
That was good. And this one is called with Chalupa.
That's that big berry.
I love it. Chalupa. Yeah, we really need some sauce. Oh, I got another fire.
Them tacos are so good. But I tell, I think I like the Taco Bell clothes better.
They're pretty good though. Mm. Okay. Oh, got that fire sauce on here.
Remember that's it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, the bread is thick. Mm. Mm.
Mm. I like that.
Mm. Mm.
What's good?
Oh, brilliant.
Oh.
Mm. Sounds good. Oh.
Oh.
Mm. My stomach feel better now. I put some in my stomach. Mm. Mm. There's no meat in here.
What's that, just lettuce?
Yeah. Barely ate half of it. Hardly had no meat in there. No, it ain't
Where's
gonna
that
work.
garbage? Oh, you can't walk in.
It's a burrito.
You can't walk in.
It's that burrito, y'all. Supposed to be so cheesy.
Well, that mac and cheese is good. I still got my own mac and cheese. That is good.
So much cheese. I'm not gonna eat the whole this.
Two regular.
I'm gonna eat half of it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, a lot of cheese. Maybe I'll eat that when I get home, but I'm good now. How's everybody doing? Hope you're doing well. Holiday shopping and everything. I ain't did no holiday shopping, which I ain't gonna do. I'll leave that up to the grandkids' parents. Let them do the shopping. Okay? I'm still gonna do the I'm gonna make Christmas stockings, you know. I was just gonna do for the little ones, but the older ones like candy too. You know, I make up candy stocking, that's it. Grandma just got the candy stock. I probably bake some cookies and stuff whenever they come over, but you know, candy stocking. That's it. Mm-hmm. But the little one don't understand that grandma ain't got him nothing because past couple of years I've been getting him something. So he liked them handheld video games. So that's what I'm looking for. I ordered one that ain't got here yet. So I just have to look around in town to see which ones they got in town. That's about it. Mm-hmm. Okay, happy Thursday, everyone. Mmm, I had to eat something quick. Okay?
Looking gloomy.
Yeah.
You still going to
Huh?
you still on video?
Well, I'm done.
Oh, you ain't on video?
Yeah, I'm still here.
Oh.
I thank everyone for watching. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Stay safe. Take care. Mm. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and share this video. I just want to thank you guys for watching. Okay, you guys. Talk to you soon. Have a blessed day. Goodbye.
Okay, well.